Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how we can fix the calls problem. So at the first I'm going to show you that I'm connected with my FreeBuds. As you can see, everything is fine. And right now when I try to make a call, the sound will come from my speaker earpiece or from the loudspeaker below, right here. And I cannot switch for my FreeBuds. So how to fix it? Take a look. You have to open the Bluetooth settings in your phone. You can make it by using this notification panel. And then tap on the settings gear icon and then select this switcher and call audio. Yeah, so right now when we are going to make a call one more time, as you can see right now we can switch to the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, and right now all this sound comes from our FreeBuds, so we can hear someone and also we can talk to someone by using our FreeBuds. And that's how we can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.